They say we are in a paperless world, but it seems like we print more and more every day. When your printer goes down, everything else in your life stops along with it. Printer Repair Depot specializes in fast printer repairs, and our friendly technicians will fix your products right the first time. We provide top quality on-site printer repairs throughout San Diego County. Regardless of where you are located or what you need fixed, Printer Repair Depot will come on site to your home or office. We offer toners and inks, cleanings, and repairs that beat our competitors. Printer Repair Depot takes pride in our unparalleled response time and exceptional service that thousands of customers in San Diego have come to expect from us. Please visit our website, printerrepair.depot.com, for convenient drop-off locations. Pretty soon, your underappreciated team member will be quietly slaving away again, and your world will be back to normal. For all your printer service and toner needs, Printer Repair Depot is the only name you need to know.